Hello and welcome to you to choose the program under Sikkim Manipal University. Okay, before coming to the program introduction, I want to explain myself and I want to introduce myself. I Arindam Ray as a senior lecturer, Sikkim Manipal University, and before completing master degree program, I had some work experience in the different colleges, and then I completed MCA and MTech in computer science and application. And during this time, I made a lot of different projects. Some projects are real life, some projects are completed in the different sites. Over 50 projects I did. So during this time, I had some work experience under different university pupils as an examiner. I did that examiner as a consultant also in the data queue in West Bengal. Right now I'm doing the research work under the e-learning environment. Okay, now I'm coming to the subject introduction. This is the subject, is a very interesting subject, that is Java and web designing. Okay, it is a very standard and very modern language where through which we can do the lot of things because all the applications right now, whatever we are doing, it is in a web application. So whatever web application is concerned, Java is the only one. We have a different web application also, but Java is a very lightweight applications and it is supportable by the all kinds of browsers. Okay, so now I am coming to the different features of Java. The Java programming is a very similar to some C programming. A very introduction part is a very simple like C programming. It has some compiler, it has some interpreter. So if we know the C programming, so all the structure is almost same. Okay, so after that we have some modern introduction in the Java which was not available in the C programming. Number one, the package concept, which is newly built in Java programming. And one more thing, which is called the runtime application, or that application which is not there in C programming, that is exception handling. In C programming or in other programming before Java, there was only compilation type error findations, but here we can find the runtime error also, or any unknown errors we can find it by using the exception handling mechanism. So these features we can introduce it. Along with, we have some front-end divisions, the web development and the HTML program, we can introduce it, and inside this Java applet, Java beans, all these things we can put it here. So from the front-end screen, we need not to go to the other applications so that we can finish it up. So this HTML tag and all these things are very simple, so we can put it in the HTML format also. So HTML, simple HTML tags are there. So after getting, you can get a very beautiful front screen, and back side we can create some Java program so that we can complete the Java application. It is a small one, but we have a lot of applications, and which is a very funny and very interesting also to write a Java program. I am requesting you to write the Java program very easily, very simple. After reading the book, you will be achieve the all kinds of very interesting, and we can understand all kinds of interesting features also. Okay, for any further assistance and query, you call me at arindamray@manipalU.com. Thank you.